Welcome back to episode 4 of I Season My Food. I'm currently on a weight loss journey and this is day 67. I've seen amazing results while still being able to eat food that I actually like, and there's progress photos on my page. And I don't count calories, I don't count macros. Girl, I don't even know what macro is. The only macro I know is macaroni and cheese. That's it. Oh man, wow. I've battled with my weight though for years, and I think coming from a Jamaican background where the first thing everybody comments on is your weight also did not help. It's just the cultural difference. I can't even be mad at my people. In Jamaica, when you tell somebody that they got fat, that equates to them living the good life, child. You get fatty? One time when I was down there, a guy told me that I was fat. I got so offended and he was like, no babes, fat with a PH, not a F. But on the contrary, in America, telling somebody they're fat means they're fat. So I just didn't even know how to differentiate growing up here most of my life. And the thing is, though, I'm not really doing this for anyone but myself. Not my island, not my culture, not a man. I'm pouring to myself because my cup been running over, y'all, with sugar, spice, and everything nice.